In this video, I'll show you how to watch JioCinema in the USA and enjoy Indian content while living in or traveling across America. If you try to open JioCinema from the United States, you'll notice that most shows, movies, and live sports are unavailable. JioCinema is officially restricted to India, and it checks your location using your IP address. Even if you have a valid account, the content won't load properly outside India because of regional licensing rules. There's no built-in option inside JioCinema to change your country. Simply logging in from the USA won't unlock the content because your location is still detected as outside India. The easiest and completely legal way to watch JioCinema in the USA is by using a VPN. A VPN allows you to appear as if you're browsing from another country, so JioCinema recognizes your connection as coming from India. The VPN I recommend for this is NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and works well with Indian streaming platforms. You'll find the NordVPN link in the description. Now let me walk you through how to do this on a PC. First, open your browser and go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description. Download the NordVPN app for your computer, install it, and then open the app. Log in to your NordVPN account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of countries. Scroll down and connect to an India server. Wait a few seconds until NordVPN shows that you're fully connected. After connecting, open a new browser tab and go to JioCinema.com. If JioCinema was already open before connecting to the VPN, refresh the page or completely close and reopen your browser so the new location applies. Now log into your JioCinema account. You should see the full Indian content library, including movies, TV shows, web series, and live sports that were previously unavailable in the USA. Click on any title and start streaming normally. If something doesn't load, or you see an error, go back to the NordVPN app, disconnect, and reconnect to another India server. Then refresh JioCinema and try again. This usually fixes the issue quickly. For the best experience, keep NordVPN connected while watching. NordVPN offers high-speed servers, so you can stream JioCinema smoothly in HD without buffering, depending on your internet speed. NordVPN also keeps your connection private and secure. It hides your real IP address, encrypts your data, and includes features like threat protection and a kill switch to help keep your activity safe while streaming. So that's exactly how you can watch JioCinema in the USA and enjoy Indian content from anywhere. Connect to India with NordVPN, open JioCinema, and stream without restrictions. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN and start watching JioCinema in America today.